Welcome to the Boiling Point. Today we're going to be talking to Boiler University instructor Jude Wolf a little bit about the Sparge Tube.
Sparge Tube is an important part of your feed water preheat system. You may not even know that it's in there, but I promise you, if it fails, you'll know something's wrong. If you need to remove and inspect your Sparge Tube, like during an annual inspection, when we put this back in, we want to make sure that the Sparge Tube holes are pointed downward in the tank. That gives us the best circulation in the tank and the best overall performance in noise reduction. Usually a Sparge Tube will run the length of the tank so that it's stabilized by the other end of the tank, and when we look inside this, we'll see that there's a bracket in there to hold the other end. Otherwise, it's going to tend to flex and be more prone to breaking off. We're looking inside the feed tank, and what we've got is a cap welded inside the other end of the tank to support the Sparge Tube. That prevents it from flexing excessively and failing prematurely. Basically, the way a Sparge Tube works is it takes the incoming steam from the preheat system and disperses it in many small bubbles. By generating a multitude of small bubbles, we get many small steam implosions, which results in sort of a dull roar. Without the Sparge Tube, we essentially get large voluminous bubbles into the cooler feed water, and those larger implosions can generate quite a ruckus. So we can barely hear the Sparge Tube now as it's approaching the set point of our temperature control valve. And in general, you may not even realize you have a Sparge Tube, but trust me, the day it falls off, you'll know something's very wrong.
Appreciate Jude hanging out with us, talking a little bit about the Sparge Tube. Now you may be wondering where I'm at. I can't tell you yet, so you're going to have to just make sure you stay tuned because we got some big announcements coming up here at WARE. Well, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter if you don't mind, maybe subscribe to the YouTube channel, and share a video if you'd like. We'll see you next time on The Boiling Point.